What are the plans of Manila City on the vaccine purchase? Mayor Isko Moreno joins us now here on New Day. Magandang umaga, Mayor. Thank you for joining us. Now, does the Manila City government plan to buy its own COVID vaccines?
Hi, good morning sa iyo, Ria, at sa ating mga staff dyan at sa iyong manood. Yes, we've been preparing for the past 4 months. No, in fact, we deposited the money already, about 200 million pesos to acquire and supplant the effort of the national government in acquiring the possible certified and safe vaccine, like the one that they're doing now in London. We've been talking to international pharmaceutical companies for so many months now. And so far naman, it's improving, no? Yung talk, talaga nag-iantay lang kami ng galaw ng national government.
All right, Mayor, what are the plans being put in place to ensure that the most vulnerable members of the population will get vaccinated first?
On the initial guidelines, as you've been hearing, and napag-uusapan talaga yan, yung mga vulnerable. Andyan yung mga senior citizen, yung mga may precondition, at saka yung mga frontliners, and the workers. No, yun yung kasi mga lumalabas at sila yung mga naghahanap buhay. So these are top priority list, at hopefully kung magkaroon ng guidelines about how are we going to achieve yung herd immunity in terms of percentage in the population, no, yun ang baka gusto natin ma-achieve na goal. Kasi alam naman natin na yung vaccine ay hindi naman para sa lahat, especially yung mga bata, no? Hindi naman sila, so far hindi sila masyadong napag-uusapan. Medyo sa husong gulang yung focus ng vaccine. And in fact, there are vaccines available now waiting for certification na mas magandang epekto sa senior citizen.
Right. Now, Mayor, it is the Christmas season, the season of giving, kaya ang daming tao talagang pumupunta sa Divisoria at saka sa mga ibang public markets. How do you ensure that protocols will be followed amid efforts to revive the economy? It's a very difficult balance to strike, but as we saw there on some of our video, there was not a lot of social distancing happening a few weeks ago.
Yes, it's one of the biggest challenges. Alam mo, since December 1, hindi na ako mapagkakatulog-tulog dahil binabalanse talaga natin yung buhay at kabuhayan because it's already affecting our economy and a lot of businesses are being closed. Maraming trabaho nawawala. So, as you all know, in our own little way to pump the prime, nagbubukas talaga kami ng negosyo at hinihikayat namin ng tao na mamili. And naalala nyo, nagkaroon tayo ng free mass swab testing sa mga particular sectors of the society, especially yung mga empleyado sa mall, sa palengke, at saka sa mga tricycle driver, jeepney driver, lahat ng mga industriya to raise the consumer confidence. And that is happening now sa Manila. Siguro na naman nila na tinetest namin yung mga nagsiserve sa kanila. So nagkaroon ng influx ng tao. That's one. And naturally, year on year, alam natin pare-pareho na ang Maynila ay nandyan ang wholesale, no? At distributorship para sa mga neighboring provinces. So they acquire some products from Divisoria, but rest assured that these things are being addressed in a balanced manner. No? Gusto ko rin kasing unawain ng tao. Alam mo naman, kinulong natin yung tao ng 7 buwan, 8 buwan. And this is a season na first time na may pandemic, siguro naninibago yung mga tao. But be that as it may, in our own little way, your city government is really trying to put orders and put things in right perspective and reminding the people that there is still we're still in the pandemic at there's
right.
still infection in the city. In fact, just to share it to you, nag-worry ako kahapon, no? Kasi nadagdagan ako ng about 10 on top of regular daily average infection namin. Sabi ko, talagang yung cold weather, marami kasing pwedeng maging basis, no? Yung
Yes.
cold weather, hindi pa natin alam anong reaction sa katawan ng tao.
Oh, as Secretary Duque said, we can't let our guard down. Pero pag panahon ng Christmas, Mayor, visitors like to visit Luneta Park, which is in your city. So, what are the guidelines there? Ilan lang ho ang pwedeng bumisita sa Luneta, and how will you again ensure that this will be followed?
Yung Luneta is under the national government and PDC, and I think they're doing their job. Intramuros, they're doing their job. Kami naman, nagki-create kami ng mga open spaces, no, as an alternative to the mall and to the Divisoria. Nakita mo yung namin, yung Paskuhan sa Maynila. For the first time, we open Mehan Garden to the public at nagkaroon ng komersyo. At doon, makikita mo, nakapila ang tao at hindi napupuno kahit na may pila sa loton. Kasi talagang iniiwasan namin yung volume, no, na magdikit-dikit ang tao. Yung sa Divisoria, just for the sake of our viewers, Divisoria is about 2 kilometers, no, and 8 lanes. And the entire Asuncion to Abad Santos, walang tao yun, no? At yung perpendicular road, yung Ilaya, Tabora, Carmen Planas, andun naman yung mga bodega at wholesale area. Kaya doon naka-merge kasi malinis yung Juan Luna, Soler, at saka Recto. At yung mga malls naman, mga murang bilihin din, yung mga 168, Lucky Chinatown Mall, medyo may dagsadyaan kasi malapit lang sa amin yan dito sa Tondo, sa District 2, sa District 3. But even in Cartilla, no, binubuksan namin yung ibang komersyo para lang isabog. Maraming pwedeng puntahan.
Para maging mas spread out, not concentrated in one area.
Mas gusto ko talaga, with all honesty, as we all know already, na that people will be better in an open space, no? Yung medyo may hangin. Tapos nag-offer din tayo ng na humingi tayo ng tulong sa simbahan o yung simbang gabi, inoffer din natin yung Cartilla para ko yung iba namang mga tao kung gusto nila magsimbang gabi kasi alam naman natin limited din ang upuan sa loob ng simbahan, and I think the church is doing their part. But the people outside the church is another challenge, no?
Yes,
ayan na naman ang isang kakaharapin namin sa loob ng halos mahigit isang linggo. So that's why we are creating also another
kailangan na may maraming different options, Mayor.
Yes. We're really trying our best. It's new, but rest assured in our own little way, we will put things in right perspective.
Thank you very much for your time this morning and for being on New Day. Manila City Mayor Isko Moreno.